Hey there, Dragon Ball fans! Get ready for something awesome. Today, I'm showing you an epic Dragon Ball Legends mod that's going to blow your mind. Stick around until the end for the full scoop, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button for more cool content like this. This mod works on all Android and iOS devices, and it's super easy to use. Just tap the gear icon in-game to open the mod menu. The main feature? You can max out your Chrono crystals and other resources instantly. Plus, there are tons of other tweaks to make your gameplay even better. To get this mod running, make sure you have the latest version of Dragon Ball Legends installed. I've left a pinned comment below where I explain exactly where you can find this mod. Thanks for watching. If this mod works for you, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming mods and tips. Check the pinned comment for all the details on getting this mod. See you next time.